Welcome to this video where I will be talking about reducing debts and fixing credit. Every time I sign up a client who had debts on credit cards, line of credit, OSAP loan, payday loans, cash loans, business loans, even personal loans, also CRA taxes, I take particular note of their experiences during this transition. What I've been hearing from them really inspires me to share their experiences through this video to help others who have similar debts. And here's what they've been telling me. Before they contacted me, they did not know whom to speak with. They were afraid of being judged. They were also embarrassed to speak about their problems with the families and friends. They were feeling vulnerable because of their descending credit scores. And they could hardly face calls or notices that came from the creditors or the collection agencies or even CRA. They also feared legal actions against them. What's more, they were finding it hard to make payments. They would pay one card using the other card. At times, they were even missing out the payments. They also saw an increase in their interest rates, and the debts never seemed to go down. Not the least, their family, especially the spousal relationship, were highly strained. They were losing sleep at night, and some of them even witnessed health issues. They lost independence to spend the money freely over their families. They also started cutting corners, but that would hardly help. They almost stopped dreaming about buying a dream house or starting a business, working on hobbies, or even for travel or social activities. Most of them were nearing a breakdown or panicking before they were referred to me. When I spoke with them, they were scared to open up initially. They wondered if they could confide in me, if I could be of help to them. Will it be an expensive affair, or will I be able to understand their problems and specific needs? Now, the ones who referred them to me were no other than my previous clients who are already on the road to becoming debt-free and stress-free. I take pride in each of them as I was able to help them. I have been in this field since 2015 through job and doing my own consulting. I usually recommend consumer proposal to overcome debt, in which I provide free consultation to assess your income, expenses, assets and liabilities to determine if you would qualify and how much percentage of your total debt could be waived off and what portion you could pay back. Most of my clients received a waiver from 70 to 80%, and they were to pay back the balance over 5 years and interest-free. You might ask why the creditors would waive off such a large portion of your debts. That's a great question, but here's the answer. If you choose to do bankruptcy, your creditors will not get a single dollar from you. Plus, they will incur expense in filing costs, processing, and spending time and resources with no gain. Hence, the success rate of consumer proposal is almost 99.9%. I would like to tell you that since 2015, none of my clients have been rejected. Now, after consultation, you can take time to think about it, and if you choose to go ahead, then I will process your proposal through licensed insolvency trustees. I work together with established licensed insolvency trustees who are government authorized professionals who help facilitate the consumer proposals. This involves assessment of your documents, review, meeting the technical challenges, and then negotiating with your creditors and getting their approval, and finally getting the approval from the court. My clients are not just numbers. They are valued individuals who are on the road to becoming debt-free and stress-free. We keep things very simple and on your individual needs and goals. You will experience simplicity, straightforwardness, trust, and attention to details and support as you work towards your financial well-being. So, don't procrastinate about your debts. Have a free consultation with me today to learn how this process works and how much you can benefit. It's time to rewrite your financial story again. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and I hope to speak with you sometimes in future. So bye for now and have a wonderful day.